we?
I don't remember.
It's called Funplex.
Funplex.
Yeah, and that's the place where we go jump on trampolines.
Yeah.
All right. Where are we, Lainey?
We're at Funplex. Funplex.
All right.
Dropped your sock.
That's all right.
Okay, hold my hand.
Okay, let's go.
Hold Daddy's hand. Mommy's hand.
Can you do Daddy's hand? We'll both be in the middle. Yeah.
Yeah.
You swim. Funplex.
Yeah, let's for the car.
Yeah.
There you go. There's the socks. You girls excited? Socks on. Did I help you with your jacket?
Ball pit? Yeah. Okay. You want to come in the ball pit? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna hold it. No. Okay, come on. Let's go. You wanna go? No. You wanna? No? Okay. No. Okay, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Swing! Yeah!
Go ahead. back. And there you go. Now you can see.
You want to do it again? Yeah! Wait, let's give this. Can you go get this to Mom?
Let go. Good job.
Oh no. Can I do a video? Yeah. We go back and forth. I like it move and move it. I like it move and move it. I like it move and move it. I like it move it. My much, my much, my much, my much, my much, my much, honey, 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 much.
Think you want to come here again?
Yeah.
What would you say? Would you rate this 5 stars for the best or 1 star for the worst?
I'll think 5 stars for the most.
Yeah. How many stars would you say? 5 stars? 4 stars? 3 stars? 2 star? 1 star? What do you think? 5 star. Wow. 2 5 stars.
I want 165 stars.
Wow. That's pretty high rating. All right. I think we'll come here again.